This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Van Avery. Discover this stunning two-story brick colonial in the desirable Cheshire Forest neighborhood of Great Bridge. With 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2,917 square feet, this home offers an open floor plan featuring a large family room with a brick fireplace, a beautiful farmhouse-style kitchen with island and pantry, and a formal dining room. Step outside to the fenced backyard with a deck, brick patio, and fire pit great for entertaining. HOA amenities include a clubhouse, tennis courts, fishing ponds, pool, playgrounds, and even a summer swim team. Conveniently located near top-rated schools, shopping, dining, and the interstate, this home combines comfort, style, and community living. Schedule your tour today.